Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video is a product demo video of one of my product, Tumbler Mockup. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change a smart object in the Photoshop file. So let's just get started. Once you download the file, you can see that there are different formats. One is PSD, one is JPEG, and there is a PNG image. One is without shadow and the another is with shadow. So let me just show you how you can change the smart object and background color in this mockup. Let's just right click on it. Let's open it in Photoshop. So once you open the Photoshop file, you will see the layer panel in the right side. If your layer panel is not visible, then just go to the window and click on the layers. So now you can see that there are multiple layers. So here are some layers which are marked green. So this layer is for left tumbler, this one. The middle tumbler is this one, and this smart object is for the right tumbler. Now let's just change the smart object. I'll just double click on this layer. So once you double click on it, a new window will open. Now I have to place my design or background. So these are the designs which I have downloaded from design bundles. The link is in the description. So now let's just place this. To place this image, I'll just drag and drop this image into our file. Let's just make it bigger. Okay, now press enter. Now the last step is Ctrl+S. You have to save it by Command+S or by Ctrl+S. Now let's go to our main file. You can see that the image has been changed. Now let's do the same process for the middle tumbler. I'll double click on this layer. Now I think this one is looking good. So let's just drag and drop it and make it bigger. I'll now press Ctrl+S or Command+S to save this file. Now let's go to our main file. Okay. So now you can see that our middle tumbler image has been changed. Now repeat for the third tumbler. Let's use this one. Let's make it bigger and press enter. Now Command+S to save the file or Ctrl+S. Okay. So now you can see that the designs have been changed. Now, what if I want to change the background color? So I have two options. First is to change the background image and other is to change the background color. So first I'll tell you how you can just change the background color. I will double click on this layer. To change the background image, let's double click on this layer. Now let's choose the background image. Now drag and drop this image in our main file. And now press Command+S or Ctrl+S to save this file. Now let's just go to our main file. Okay, so now you can see that the background image has been changed. So this is how you can change the smart objects of the Tumbler. If you have any question, then do let me know in the comment section. Thank you.